How to get WhatsApp Meta AI. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today's video we will be guiding you through on how you can get WhatsApp Meta AI. So if you're also wondering how you can do that, these are the processes you may follow up and you should be able to get WhatsApp Meta AI. So let's just get started and go ahead and look out on how we can do that. So first thing first, open up your WhatsApp and make sure you're logged into your account. After you're logged in, what you're going to do is simply head over to a chat where you want to activate the WhatsApp Meta AI. For example, let me just go to this group, and what you're going to do is type in a text right here. So you're going to type in @Meta AI and something should pop up on your screen. So if that doesn't appear on your screen, it means that feature is not yet available on your reason. But if it is available on your reason, something will appear on your screen that will help you activate the Meta AI on your WhatsApp. So that is it. After you type it in and something appears on your screen, you can just send it on your group or your text message wherever you want to activate the WhatsApp Meta AI, and that is it. So that is how you basically activate the WhatsApp Meta AI by following up the steps if it is available at the moment at your regions or your country. So that is it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.